What you know about waking up every day like you're on a mission. Big Sean in One Man Can Change the World. Sadly, many people cannot relate to the question Big Sean asked above. Many people wake up without a clear idea of what they need to do or achieve. When you walk around the street, you'll see many people walking around looking busy. However, the truth is that many are only wandering around. They have no clue about the direction they are heading in life. Many go out wandering like a goat and come back wanting. The aimless journey begins all over again the second day. Such people have empty lives that they want to fill. Some individuals turn to social media to find something they can be engaged in to forget about their miserable life. That is why we have many people on online platforms that troll others at any slight chance. Many of them don't have a life in the real world. They are giants and monstrous online, but their lives count for nothing in reality. One of the worst things that can happen to a person is to go through life without a direction. Such a person will not be able to measure his or her progress. He or she will always depend on the affirmation and acceptance of others to feel good, which is dangerous. In this short but promising journey, we'll explore how you can live a meaningful and purposeful life. You'll learn tips that will enable you to enhance clarity and have clarity in your daily endeavor.